Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel or stop collaboration on Instagram. So you go to your account on Instagram. Alright, so as we can see here, there are a lot of posts here, and let's say that you have a collaboration with this person. Alright, this one. So all you need to do is just to click that three dots that you can see on the upper right corner, which looks like three vertical dots, this one. Okay, and then as you can see in mine, we are not collaborated with each other, but if you are collaborated with each other or you have a collaboration, there will be an option there which you can see stop sharing. Okay, so basically as you can see there are four options, which is why you're not seeing this post, not interested, report, manage suggested content. On the fifth one is what we call stop sharing. Once you stop that sharing or you click stop sharing, it will stop the collaboration. All right? So that's going to be it. So thank you so much. I hope this is helpful.